Alright, what I'm explaining in this video is how to set your hinge wing plate onto your cabinet carcass. What we use is a blum hinge, which is a tension set hinge and requires no screws for application. You simply take your wing plate, set it in the hinge holes, press the tabs to the back of the cabinet, and it's set. I'm going to do the same thing to the lower one. Now I'm ready to apply my door. So now I take my door with the hinges in it, clip in my top hinge, clip in my lower hinge, and that's how you set a door.